Hello, welcome in our geography session for a standard 12th. For a geography, we discuss about a dot method map which shows the world population distribution on the earth surface in a last session. Now we also continue that point related with the patterns of population distribution of the world. In the world, the population is varies from place to place and region to region. We never observe the same type of population pattern in the one country. So there is the variation related with the region within a country also. That's why there are the different types of population distribution in the on the earth surface. Some region have a very low population density, some have very sparsely population, some have a no population, as well as some region have a high density of population. The first point is there, snow covered region around the north and the south pole are sparsely populated. The south pole and north pole have an extreme cold climate and snow covered. That's why this region is a never support to agricultural activity and any other human economic activities. That's why this region have very sparsely population. Second, even hot desert have low population. If a region with a hot desert region due to the high temperature and desert soil, it's a poor soil. It never support to the agriculture and vegetation cover. That's why the other animals are also rare in this region, and it is directly affect on the human economic activities. That's why this hot desert have also the scarcity of water, and such a region is never supportive for the population, and it have low population in the world. Almost the Sahara desert, Kalahari desert have a low population. Then the mountain and the hilly region are also less population. The mountain region like Rocky, Andes, then Himalaya have very low population density because of extreme height is there. That extreme elevation is responsible for extreme cold climate, ice cap region, as well as the forest area is there. Then undulating land is there, which is never support to agriculture and transportation development, and that's why less population is there. The coastal region and the plain are highly populated. First of all, we see snow covered, then hot desert and mountainous region have a less population is there, but the coastal region and plain have a highly population. Coastal region with the availability of a plain topography, fertile soil of a river delta region, as well as the coastal region have a access of water, international water transportation, which is very cheapest mode. Then the plain region have also supportive for the agriculture purpose, as well as the transportation modes, inland transportation modes we can develop in a plain region very easily. That's why the coastal area and plain region on the earth surface have a high population density, or the high populated area is there. The river are very important for a source of water, drinking water, as well as the water for agriculture, water for industry, water for fishing, then water for water transportation. But some rivers in the world like Amazon and Congo river, such rivers are never supportive for the population density. There is a sparely population distribution is there, because that rivers are included in a part of a daily rainforest area, which have a hot and humid climate. That humid climate is badly affect on the human survive. There are the several diseases are spread very easily, and that's why the population density is very less. Then one more chart is there, which is shown the continent, then physical factor responsible for high population and physical factor responsible for less population also. If the availability of favorable physical factor is there, at that time population density is high, the high population is there, but the physical factor are badly affect on the human economic activities and survive, at that time those physical factor are responsible for less population of a region. For example, about North America, which physical factors are responsible for high population and which are responsible for the low population? That the first, the North American region, coastal areas and five lake area is highly supportive for the development, economic development, industrial development, agricultural development. Then the minerals resources are also available in that region. That's why this region have a high density of population in a USA and Canada. But the forest area, desert area and snow covered land, the snow covered land in the north part of Canada, then forest related with the Rocky Mountain, then desert area of North America is badly affect on the population, and they have a less population region is also there. South America, the coastal area minerals. Now continent, the some part of continent have a high density, and some part of that same continent have a low density is also there, because of the geographical extent of continent, the north pole to south pole, the direction, that area of that continent is the location of that continent is responsible for the availability of variation in a climatic condition and the resources, and that variation is responsible for a high density and low density. So about South America, there is also the variation in the natural resources due to that extent, and that's why the coastal area of Brazil, southeast coast as well as the north coastal part with the Canarian Islands, it have a high density of population. Then the Peru and Chile coastal area have also good population density, but and the minerals, where the region with the minerals availability in Brazil, then Venezuela is also important in a mineral. There is a oil, petroleum minerals in Venezuela which fulfill the need of North America also. This region is important for the population density. But the forest, then Amazon basin, daily rainforest, Amazon basin and mountainous region in South America, that is the Andes mountain region, is never support to the human activities, and that's why low population density in some part of South America. Then Europe, minerals availability in Germany, then Ruhr and Rhine river basins is very important, and it is supportive for the mineral based industries. Then coastal area is supportive for the fishing and international transportation. Then central plain is responsible for the agricultural development and industrial development. So Europe have a high density related with the Germany, then Rhine river valley, coastal area, west coast area and central plain of Europe have a high density of population. But the snow covered area related with the Scandinavian mountain region, the north part of Europe, have a low density of population. Then about Asia, in Asia river plain like Indus Ganga river plain and its tributary region have a high density of population. Yangtze plain have also high density of population. The coastal area of each country have also high density of population. There are the islands country like Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka. Then the coastal part of Bangladesh, then Myanmar, India, Pakistan, China have also high density of population. Japan have also the high density related with the coastal cities. Then desert, mountain and snow covered area have a low density in Asia. There is a Thar desert, Gobi desert have a low population density is there. Then mountain like Himalayan, other near about 10 mountain systems in Asia, such have a low population density. Snow covered area is also there. That's why that region is not suitable for human activities and they have a less population density. Then African continent, the coastal area of Africa is important for the transportation. The north part of African continent, there is a access of a canal, that is a Suez canal is there, and that's why this route is very important, and the coastal area is also important with a good moderate or high density, as well as the Nile valley is also supportive for the high density of population from historical time. The Nile valley civilization is there. Then gold mining in South Africa are also with the populated region. High population density is there because of the expensive type of or the high quality and richest mineral is there, that is the gold and diamond. Then Congo river basin and mountain and forest. The Congo river basin have a daily rainfall, that's why the tropical forests are there, and mountain systems are also there. Then fraction area is there, that's why the region with a very hot and humid climatic condition is there in the middle part of Africa. The north part there is the desert area, Sahara desert is there, which is not support to the economic activity and human survival, so that's why less population in that region. Then Australia, the coastal area of Australia, the east coast of Australia have a high density of population. Southeast part coast have also high density. There are also minerals, gold and diamond mines are there. That region is also with a high density of population. But a dry and desert area as well as the mountain area in Australia have a responsible for the less population density. Then Antarctica, there is a no population. The continent is without population. But the factors which are responsible for that less population, those are the extreme cold climate as well as the snow cover. It is never support to the any human economic activity, and that's why the people are not gives the preference to the settlement in that region, because we cannot survive in that area due to extreme cold climate. That's why there are the physical factor, they are also supportive, as well as some physical factor, the lack of that physical factor is there at that time, that physical condition is responsible for a less population in that area. So the North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, such a area have a high density region is also there with a less population region due to the physical factors is there. Okay, in this way we can discuss the population pattern is there. In a next video we discuss about the factors affecting on population distribution. Okay, thank you.